Got everything hooked up. We got the Harley solenoid put back on, and it's not wired up. Okay, we got the solenoid, the Harley solenoid wired up properly this time. And got a new battery in. The other one was pretty flat. So we're going to turn the switch on and see if it'll at least turn the engine over before we even give it any fuel. Alright. She's trying. Okay, we took the spark plugs out. We're just going to see if we can get it to turn over with no plugs in. Alright. She's making some compression. Let's pull the choke out. We got a little IV gas tank. Let's see if we can get her to whirl up and start. Alright, give her a shot. Yes! Yes! Yes, she's alive. Right on. She's alive again. Do you want me to?
Soft, it feels like lead. Yeah.
There we go, she punched through.
Ooh, I can see a screw in there.
You want this here, Bruce? You want to?
And there's the adjustment screw.
Yeah.
Now we'll be able to do some adjustments on the carburetor to get it tuned in a lot nicer. We did have one little issue when we were trying to start it. One of the ground wires that I had ran dedicated to the headlight started to smoke, and actually, if you can see this, it melted pretty good. So what happened was we didn't have, this frame and everything has been powder coated with clear, and we didn't have a good enough ground. So what we ended up doing, we put a jumper cable and grounded it right to the engine, and then the thing whizzed right over and it was able to start up. So we're going to get a bunch of braided ground straps, one for the engine, transmission. We're going to put a few of them over the bike and make sure we got lots of good ground. So it was trying to use the ground that was the best one that it could find. Unfortunately, it was the tiny wire, so I'll just replace that wire, and we'll get the braided ground straps, and that'll cure a lot of problems. Put the carb all back on, and we're going to start it up and see if we can get some more adjustment out of it. Oh, choke's on. She likes the choke.
And it's hot.
Does it sound like it's getting any better?
No.
Maybe it just needs to be jetted. I don't know. Maybe it's just